Hey guys, today I want to show you a short video about my self-built artificial fire machine, as many of you requested. So as I'm disassembling this now for a new build, I'm showing you some of the components and other things. So the first thing here is this top cover, which is actually made out of resin. I can show you this. So as you can see, this is resin. It's resin with red dye, and then on the upper side I painted it with black acrylic color. And here on the inside are an array of LEDs. They are all red color, and they're controlled by a Arduino Nano, I think. Yes, there are also some here on the outlet where the steam comes out. Show you a bit better here. Here is a little fan which blows into this chamber here, where the mist maker is installed, and there is this little plate here so that the water don't comes out here. So this actually blows into here, and then the air is forced out through this outlet here. And here are, as you can see, 4 LEDs. These are 10 watt LEDs. They're orange color, which I think is very clear to the color of fire. I have tried red LEDs, but it looks just unrealistic. I can put the exact color in the video description. Okay, so under this thing here, there are 3 voltage regulators inside here. This one is actually for this fan which blows the air out of this outlet. The second one is for the fans. There are 4 fans under these heat sinks which force the air up so that the air is pushed up. And the third one is for the brightness of the 4 LEDs. This black box is the power adapter for the mist maker, and in another shot I can show you there are 2 areas of this. On the other side is the LED driver for the 4 LEDs.